After clicking Install, you'll land on the App Settings page. Here, enter your Freshdesk domain and API key. Click Verify to securely authenticate your credentials. Next, choose the ticket statuses you want to exclude from automatic reopening. That's it, the app is now successfully configured. Let's navigate to a ticket in your help desk. In the sidebar, you'll see the Reopen Ticket Pro app loaded and ready. Simply pick a future date and time, then click Schedule Reopening. The schedule is created instantly. You'll now see the scheduled time displayed, which is 1 p.m. on this very day. There is also an option to cancel, right here in the sidebar. Now, let's change the ticket status to Closed to test the reopening feature. Click on the app icon in the left panel to open the dashboard. Here, you can view and manage all scheduled reopenings. The schedule we just created is listed with all details and a cancel option. Filter the list by status, whether it's pending or completed. You can also search by ticket ID to quickly locate a schedule. Prefer searching by subject? That's available too. Let's return to the ticket we scheduled earlier. As you can see, the ticket status has automatically changed to Open. A public note is also added at the time of reopening to notify the assigned agent. Back in the dashboard, you'll see that the schedule status has now been updated to Completed. Thanks for watching. Start streamlining your ticket workflows with Reopen Ticket Pro.